This is Bosco V. Her parents have had 4 other Boscos. Hi. Here I am with my little friend Bodhi. I'm on break in between studio shoots, doing a little cat sit. We're gonna explain to you the photo shoot that I just did. Hi. 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 This is Mortimer. Yeah. They're getting the last little patch of sun. They're little sun bunnies. My client Bosco, he's come in before and he's a wonderful dude. This is Bosco V. He was an inherited cat by my clients, and her parents have had 4 other Boscos. All the Boscos are so cool and chill. What we decided to do instead of holiday-ish stuff is we just did it on white. I told them that Bosco should be on the side of a Meow Mix can. So maybe they can get... Hi, Mortimer. Can you come here? Do you want to come here? There we go. Mortimer, there we go, buddy. Hi. No, you can be on camera. Yes. Yes. Bosco's a very good-looking cat. I don't think that they're going to try to get him to be a model, but, you know, a girl can dream. Watch this behind the scenes of us doing our little photo shoot with Bosco. Right? Yes. Hi, Mortimer.
Here, you want me to manipulate
No,
her?
let's see.
Bosco.
Bosco, hi.
Bosco. Bosco.
There we go.
Oh, see, there we go. Okay. And then right over my lens.
Bosco. Oh, you're good. You're
Don't even worry about it. I can crop everything out.
Bosco. Open your eyes.
Beautiful.
Look at you. So Mark, you take Churu,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna try to sit him up. You're gonna
That's funny.
I have. Oh, you know what? Let's try that. Let's try.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say I have a wand too, if that would help.
Can you sit up? Can you sit up? You're not usually like straight. Okay, come on. Hi, baby. Come on. Let's just sit. Do you want him further back, or is it okay?
Let's see. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Here you go.
Now, Mark, remove yours.
Yeah.
What's this? Bosco? Bosco.
Let her use hers because
Okay.
she wants him forward.
Yeah.
Bosco. What is this?
Hi, Funny. Hi, Funny.
Beautiful.
Funny. Bosco. Oh, much.
Oh, great.
So we're Bosco. Here. Follow me. Follow me.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's so cute. Yeah. Maybe go, like, make it go forward a little so he...
There.
There you go. Beautiful. That's gorgeous.
Yeah, give me a second.
That's super cute, though.
Hand me the other one if you could.
Yeah.
There, I got some out.
Ooh.
Beautiful.
Bosco.